going to go over another new feature of Divi 5 that just got released in the alpha version of Divi 5. Now, this new feature has been talked about in a few videos on element themes, but since then it has not been released until today for alpha users of Divi 5. There was a smaller scale version of this where you could select specialized rows, where you would have maybe one row on the left that takes up 2 rows, would have maybe 2 rows on top that each take up 1 row. So I'm going to select, I'll just keep it simple, a text module, and then I'm going to add new module, so new row. Let's see what this does. Oh, there we go. Now let's make these text modules. Actually, no, let's make one of them a text module. Let's make another one call to action. Okay, let's see. I'm going to add another row, new row, and these are like specialized rows or specialized row modules. Let's select this one here. So this has one relatively small module on the left and a relatively larger module on the right. Make this contact form. Let's add a map. This potentially can speed up development significantly because now it makes rearranging elements on a Divi WordPress page or post a lot simpler. So this is the map. Try out one more. Let's see. Oh, look at this. You can have 6 modules all in a row. Let's make them all text modules. These are going to be skinny columns, skinny modules. But for some reason, there needs to be 6 modules all in a single row. Maybe they would be explainers of services a company offers, or maybe testimonials or other things, pricing tables, 6 different pricing tables. This makes it so you don't have to set up specialty rows. And it also goes further than specialty rows did in Divi 4. Our last video had several new exciting features of Divi 5. It is one of our longer videos. It might be our longest video on the channel. I highly recommend checking that out. So I'm going to save the draft. Let's preview it first. So there's 6 text modules. Notice the spacing. There's a lot of spacing on the top and bottom. Makes it so you don't have to rearrange or edit the spacing each time. That will definitely save time in the WordPress website development process. Generally, when I add a row here, I add another row after that. There's a lot of spacing all around, but it seems here with nested rows, a lot less spacing all around these modules. Now I'm going to just make all of these invisible, like this. Not visible, disable on all devices, disable this on all devices, phone, tablet, desktop, including widescreen desktop, save draft, preview. Okay, now those new rows are not visible. Okay, so that concludes this video. Remember to like the video, leave comments below, share this video and our other videos on the channel, and subscribe to the channel.